Hello everyone. Today we are solving a very common yet tricky accounting scenario, that is partial payment matching during bank reconciliation. So first I will give you an example. Let's say your customer owes you 25,000 across two invoices, one for 10,000 and another for 15,000. But instead of paying full payment, they send you 12,000. So in this case, how do you match this payment correctly in Odoo without errors? So here is partial payment matching comes in. It lets you allocate one payment across multiple invoices, that is fully or partially. In this video, I will show you how to do this step by step in Odoo. So let's start it. Go to accounting and then click on customer and then invoices. Here you see there are two different invoices of the same customer, but the amount is different. One is for 10,000 and another is for 15,000. And then click on customer again and then payment. Here you see the same customer has sent you the amount 13,000. Then how do you match this payment correctly? So go to dashboard and then here bank, then click on transaction and then click on new to make a new statement here. The amount is 13,000 that you have received, and here I give the memo payment received, and then click on add and close. Then click on this statement. When you click on this statement, here you see there are two invoices of different amount, one for 10 and second one for 15. Click on both these invoices. When you click on both these invoices, you will see here the validate button has been activated, and then click on simply this validate button. When you click on this, you will see here the first invoice has been paid and the second one has left only 12,000 instead of 15,000. To check this, you can simply go to the customer and then invoices. Here you see the first invoices has been paid and the second one is partially paid. So that's it. This feature ensure you account stay accurate and save time during reconciliation. Thank you.